Urban Gardening Thailand here. Welcome back. I have an arrowhead vine plant growing in my garden and I want to make a cutting of it. And as you can see, it already has some roots growing out from some of the nodes down here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a small pot, fill it with soil, and place it right there under the roots. Here's our pot, and now we're going to put it right underneath where the root is going. Put the root right into this pot with soil. And we're going to come back in a week or two and see how it's doing. The arrowhead vine, being a vine, is a real creeper. And as well as putting the nodes into a small pot, it will grow to your nearby pots. And all you need to do is when it starts growing its roots, dig a little hole for it and place that root right in the soil, and it will probably grow for you. Arrowhead vines must be one of the easiest vines to grow and to propagate to other places. Check this out. The vine is now growing over to the next pot. Here's the original pot that I placed under the original node. Here's the second pot that it's grown over to, and it's got roots going here and over here, though this one I know is hard to see. And now check this out. It's moving over to the third pot over here, and I am not moving or helping it in any way. I'm beginning to think these plants have a mind of their own. I've decided to help the arrowhead vine out a bit, as I don't want it putting down roots right on top of the caladium already in the pot. I've moved it a little bit and covered the new roots with soil. Our cuttings are all grown up, and it's time they stop depending on the parent plant. This little guy even has roots growing out of the bottom and is ready to be transplanted. The roots in the next pot are also well established, and I'm sure these can survive on their own. And here's our final pot, and as you can see, these roots seem to be well established here, and this seems to be doing just fine. Our arrowhead vines are growing everywhere. Growing arrowhead vine is easy and fun. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.